A vessel is in the form of inverted cone. Okay, so we have an inverted cone. A vessel is in this form. Its height is 8 centimeters. Height is 8 centimeters and radius of its top is 5 centimeters. So radius is equal to 5 centimeters. It is filled with water up to the rim. That means it is completely filled with water. When lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeters, are dropped into the vessel. Okay, that means we are dropping some spherical balls in this vessel. 1/4 of the water flows out. Okay, 1/4 of this water is flowing out. So 1/4 of water flows out. Okay, find the number of lead shots dropped into the vessel. All right, see the dimensions of this vessel. Dimensions of the sphere is given, right? That is radius is equal to 0.5 centimeters given. Let number of lead shots dropped be n. Let n be number of spherical balls dropped, right? So volume of n spheres should be equal to 1/4 of the volume of this cone, right? Why 1/4? Because when we are dropping n marbles in this, 1/4 of the water is coming out, right? Coming out of this. So first let us find volume of cone. Volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h, right? Okay, so it is 1/3 pi r square. R is 5, so it is 5 into 5 into h is 8. But this is volume of one cone, right? Now if we are immersing marbles in this, 1/4 of the water is coming out, right? So how much water has come out? 1/4 of this has come out, right? So it will be equal to 2. So 25 and 2, 50. So this is 50 pi by 3. Okay, this much water has come out. All right, now let us come back to this marbles or spheres. Okay, let us find volume of one sphere first. It is equal to 4/3 pi r cube, right? So it is 4/3 pi into r, 5, 0.5. So let us write that as 5/10. 5/10, 5/10 and 5/10. Okay, now this is volume of one sphere. So we are dropping how many spheres? N spheres. So volume of n spheres will be equal to n into this term, right? 4/3 pi into 5/10, 5/10, 5/10, right? So we should equate this to now. Okay, let us write it. 50 pi by 3 is equal to n into 4/3 pi into 5/10 is 1/2, right? 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. Pi and pi got cancelled, right? So let us carefully send these terms on the other side. So we have 50 and 3 will also get cancelled, right? 50 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 divided by this 4 is equal to n. So 2 2 is 4. So this one, what is left now? 50 and 2. 52 is 100. Okay, how many marbles should be dropped now? 100 marbles, right? Or 100 spheres. So when we are dropping 100 spheres in this cone, 1/4 of the water is coming out.